If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. When you add multiple tables to a query in the Query Design view, the joins you established between tables within the Relationships window also appear in the query, allowing you to access information from any related tables. However, if you are attempting to create a query using unrelated tables, you can create a temporary join between tables in the upper section of the Query Design view. For example, you would need to do this if you were trying to query two linked Excel tables using Access. You do this the same way you create permanent joins between the tables in the Relationships window. To join tables in a query when viewing the Query Design view in Access, click and drag the common field from one table diagram and drop it on top of the related field in the other table diagram in the table shown at the top of the Query Design view. Doing this creates a relationship join between them in the Query Design view. To edit the relationship between them to create the desired query results, double-click the join line that appears to open the Join Properties dialog box. This dialog box shows the names of the linked fields and the tables. Below that, select either option 1, 2, or 3 to determine how to display the query result set. When you have the desired settings, click the OK button. Query joins are particularly important as the type of join you select can drastically affect the query result set. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.